Welcome back. In this video, we are solving the FRQ from the year 2023, question number 4A. As always, take a second to pause the video, take a look at the chart, read through the question, and then meet me back here for the problem solve. Okay, jumping right in, it says let h be the function defined by h of x equals f of g of x. Find h prime of 7 and show your work. So first things first, we have to be able to identify this as a composite function. Remember, a composite function is a function within another function. So we have g of x that is within our function f of x. So when we have composite functions and we want to take the derivative, we have to use the chain rule. So if h of x equals that tells me that I don't know why I just wrote f. That tells me that h prime of x is equal to f prime of g of x. So I'm taking the derivative of the outer function, and then I have to multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. So again, just to reiterate, when we do the chain rule, we take the derivative of the outer function, and then we multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. So now all we have to do is we just have to plug in 7 for x. So we get h prime of 7 equals f prime of g of 7 times g prime of 7. Now we're going to go ahead and go up to our table and we are going to evaluate. So let's start with what g of 7 is. So g of 7 outputs 0. So I'm actually just going to cross that out and just make that a 0. And now let's check out f prime of 0. So now 0 is my input for my f prime function, which is going to output 3 over 2. So this is going to equal 3 over 2 times, and now let's check out g prime of 7. So g prime is here, my input is now 7, so my output is now 8. So I'm going to get 3 over 2 times 8. I'm going to just simplify here, so I'm going to make that a 1 and a 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So h prime of 7 is equal to 12. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.